Right off of 10, I got one 2016 Prizm Racing, one 2016 Gold Rush Value Baseball, one 1516 Luxe, and one 16 Triple Threads. So Prizm Racing. Good luck. Thanks for the order. Breaking live right now, guys. Just did Spectra number 5. Number 6 is already up. We have limited basketball. We have Dominique Wilkins. I got another case, $9 case of Triple Threads Picture Team. So tons of good stuff. Let's get it all filled. Let's get it breaking today. Race used, looks like part of the fire suit, Tony Stewart. Bobby Labonte at 75. Rusty Wallace, Bill Elliott Hall of Fame. Let's start seeing some ink. Regan Smith, green cracked ice out of 149. Carl Edwards. Paul Menard out of 99, 32/99. (9/25). Race use, that's a tire, Ryan Newman. 9/25, Ryan Newman. There's Ryan Newman right there. Auto Terry Labonte? Terry Labonte. Prizm auto. Last 2 packs. One auto, two mem right there. Let's go to our Gold Rush Baseball, guys. $29.95, some nice hits being pulled out of here. Your case or the pack, whatever you want. Got a group break going off tomorrow of it. Jersey swatch Robinson Cano. 449 Robinson Cano. Al Lopez, 2013 National Panini Golden Age. 5/5. Nice prospect auto right here. Miguel Sano for the Twins. Nice prospect right there. Miguel Sano auto from Minnesota. Nice up-and-coming player right there. Nice auto of him. Let's go Luxe, one with Triple Threads. One with the new 15-16 Luxe basketball. This is a good hit price on this, $111.95, so good deal. And I get some really nice hits out of here. Let's see what we got. Starting off, the mailman, Karl Malone, 10/35 auto. 10/35 Karl Malone. For the Celtics, out of 75 rookie card auto, Jordan Mickey. Patch right here out of 25, Jimmy Butler. 23/25. And jersey swatch rookie card out of 99, Miles Turner for the Pacers. 16 Triple Threads. Aaron, Koufax, Keuchel, 5/36 Evan Longoria, jersey bat jersey, 112. Nathan Ovaldi, 48/75 jersey swatch auto. Ryan Braun out of 250, David Wright. No problem. All right, last little mini box right here. So these aren't going quick, guys. Excuse me. Koch, Lorenzo Kane, Ozzie Smith. All right, got his auto. Got another one, 9/35 rookie card, triple jersey auto, Miguel Sano. Get your collection started with him for the Twins, Miguel Sano. In part of the bat, 14/36, Adrian Gonzalez. That relic. Out of 340, Ozzie Smith. Out of 250, David Price. All right, thanks for the break, man. Yeah, got to double up on him. Thanks for the break. I'll get that packed and shipped out for you today.